unlawful for convicted felon to possess any firearms or other weapons or devices. Penalties exception. This is also going to be known as felon in possession of firearm. If it's dealing with a felon and a firearm, this is going to be covering that law. But before we get into it, I'm going to need you to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. This is going to be 9737.5. Subsection 1. It shall be unlawful for any person who has been convicted of a felony under the laws of this state or any other state or the United States to possess any firearm or any bowie knife, dirk knife, butcher knife, switchblade knife, metallic knuckles, blackjack, or any muffler or silencer for any firearm unless such person has received a pardon for such felony, has received a relief from disability pursuant to section 925C or of Title 18 of the United States Code, or has received a certificate of rehabilitation pursuant to subsection 3 of this section. 2. Any person violating this section shall be guilty of a felony and upon conviction thereof shall be fined not more than $5,000 or committed to the custody of the State Department of Corrections for not less than 1 year nor more than 10 years or both. 3. A person who has been convicted of a felony under the laws of this state may apply to the court in which he was convicted for a certificate of rehabilitation. The court may grant such certificate in the discretion upon a showing of the satisfaction of the court that the applicant has been rehabilitated and has led a useful, productive, and law-abiding life since the completion of his sentence, and upon the finding of the court that he will not likely to act in a manner dangerous to public safety. 4a. A person who is discharged from court-ordered mental health treatment may petition the court which entered the commitment order for an order stating that the person qualifies for relief from a firearms disability. 4b. In determining whether to grant relief, the court must hear and consider evidence about circumstances that led to the imposition of the firearms disability under 18 U.S.C. section 922 D4. The person's mental health, the person's mental history, the person's criminal history, and the person's reputation. 4c. A court may not grant relief unless it makes and enters in the record following affirmative finding that the person is no longer likely to act in a manner dangerous to public safety, and removing the person's disability to purchase a firearm is not against the public interest. If you look over to my left, you're going to see a button that subscribes to the channel. If you look to my right, you're going to see the video that YouTube thinks you want to watch next. Please click both. Keep going through them. One you want to learn about, comment it below. Have a great day.